Hi everybody and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very happy because it's New Gear Day. I ordered it a month ago and it arrived today. Here it is. Let's open it and see how it looks. Here we have the quick start guide. The power cable. It's a little bit heavier than I thought. And here it is, my new wing rack. My first impression is that the screen is huge, especially coming from an X32 rack. Here we have the screen, user buttons. This can be titled, which is really nice. No fan, it's important in a studio. "24 preamps. Some people say that they are the same as the Midas Blue boxes, but I don't think so. I think they are the same as the M32 on DL16 that I have inside. 8 outputs linked with 4 headphone amps, MIDI in and out, GPIO ports for connecting configurable buttons, 2 network ports we can install inside a Dante card and a SoundGrid card, USB interface, 3 AS50 ports, a Stage Connect port, AS in and out. And here we have the Wing Life card to be able to record to an SD card, as I did in the X32. We can use these cards. Perfect. Nice, isn't it? Now it's time to patch and set up everything. In my next video I will show you how to update the firmware of the DL16 and the SD8 because if you don't do that you are not going to be able to use them with the new Wing. If you have some comments or questions about the console, put it down below and see you in my next video. Bye!